Today I am creating a beautiful balloon design using simple editing techniques. First I added a smooth background to give the design a clean and attractive look. Then I placed colorful balloon elements and adjust their size and position to create a balanced composition. I added decorative effects and small details to make the design more eye-catching and professional. With the right combination of the colors, shapes, and creativity, a simple idea can become a stunning visual design. This is how creative editing transforms basic elements into amazing artwork. Please like and subscribe my channel.